hold on. Hold on. Hold the...
Don't cut your finger off.
I can't open it.
Yes, you can. Yeah, can I try?
Hold
Can
on.
I try?
No. Here, you hold this.
I'm so excited. Did you take a picture of it? Wait, Mom, is it on?
Yeah. It is. It's red.
Oh my
That means it's recording.
Excited. Daddy, do you know what the surprise is?
I don't know the surprises.
Oh, fine. I can't wait! And Luna is going crazy now. The present's pink. What's pink?
Okay.
The Valentine present! Trinity, which one's mine?
Look at the names.
Which one's this? Like, where's...
Open that. Maybe that's a card and the names are inside. Wait, Luna. Gotta look at whose name. Oh, okay. Not everybody's name is on
Which
it.
one's this one?
Oh, here it is, Bell Sky.
Where?
That is yours right there.
And Mom, where's the big one? Then this is...
That one's Trinity. That one's yours, Luna.
And why do I have pencils?
You got pencils. Look at the pencils have hearts on them. Open the bag. Bella Sky, come here. You want me to open up your bag for you? Just pull it open. There you go.
Candy! We each
I think that's a handkerchief. A napkin.
Card! What's this?
A straw. Don't open your bag.
Okay. You love those type of candies. They're like the heartstrings. Can I just look at the candies inside?
Can you open up yours? Because I'm recording. So go ahead.
I'm saved. Why can't Trinity first?
She will come when she's ready to come.
Trin! Where is this one's mine?
Yeah. Here, Bella Sky, just rip this open right here.
No! Let's see. You and me each have the same thing.
Maybe not. Maybe.
Got a straw. I got a straw. What is this?
It's a bandana. You can wear it on your head.
You like wearing those.
I do.
And even Alexa. Finally. And even Kelly wears those.
Kelly does.
What are these? And even you wear those.
Perfect. Happy Valentine's Day. Solid milk chocolate.
Can I have some candy?
Yeah.
I don't like candy. Here's a sticker book. I thought it was a drawing book, but much better than for stickers. And where's mine? Where's mine? Oh, is it right here? Coloring book.
Totally sweet. That's cute.
Mommy,
Yes.
can I also have my candy?
Yes, you can.
Wait, wait, is this all mine?
Yes.
I opened it all by myself.
Yay. You want to say something? Like, want to say goodbye? You want to say bye?
Bye. Wait, but what about Trudy?
She's in the middle of a game right now.
Bye. Bye. Thank you, Gigi. Thank you, Gigi. Now seriously, how do you open this? Seriously,